Doing an 8-lug dump trailer service. Let's get this hub and drum off, see what the brakes look like. Dust cap. Cotter pins out. Spindle nut coming off. Passenger side front. Brakes are done, coming apart. Cool, let's get this off. 9/16 with a 6-inch extension. Little tap. Backing plates coming off. Cut. Passenger side front's off. Clean and inspect spindle. Spindle looks good. Seal surface looks great. Passenger side front backing plates going on. Wiring's not smashed into the backing. Backing plates on, arms going towards the front, magnets going towards the ground. It is on in the correct orientation. We will wire this after we're done putting the hub and drum on. New hub and drum's on the table. Let's get it packed up. Lucas red and tacky. Pre-pack the hub. I like to tie a good amount into the inner portion of the hub, fill up that cavity just a little bit. Inner bearing's a 25580. Bearing is packed, greases through the legs, plop it in. Clean off excess grease off the seal surface. I'm gonna double check the seal. It should be a Dexter 2 1/4. Seal is a 2 1/4. Seal is on. Wipe excess grease. Lubricate the inner portion of the seal just a little bit with grease. Flip it over. Install grease onto the outer race. Tie the grease into the inner portion of the hub. Outer bearings a 14125A. Outer bearings packed, greases through the legs. Washer's still good. Castle nut is still good. Cotter pin and dust cap. Passenger side front, hub and drum assemblies going on. Hub and drum's on. Washer, spindle nut. Tighten spindle nut while spinning the hub. Passenger side front, 50. Back off, finger tight, cotter pin bent. Passenger side front, cotter pin is verified. This dust cap pounder's a 579-1431. Brakesfortrailers.com/allred. We're adjusting brakes. Pull the plug. Brake adjuster's a 071-666. Start adjusting brakes. Adjust it out until we cannot spin. Back off. Back off till slightly rubbing. Passenger side front is adjusted. Plastic pin goes back in. We wire brakes. It does not matter which wiring you go as long as there's a positive and a negative. It just needs to be a full circuit into the magnet. And shrink wrap and butt connectors. Butt connectors are shrink wrap. Wires are secure. Free spinning. Brakes are on, locked up. Brakes are off. Back to free spinning. Brakes work. Check breakaway. Breakaway pin's pulled. Front locked up. Breakaway system's working. Pin is back in. Passenger side front, back to free spinning. This hub and drum and brake are done.